Hey guys, it's Poochie. What's her puss? That's not What's her puss. That's actually Lily. What's her puss is up here. Betsy. And the mascot has decided to supervise this unboxing. We got some stuff from WhatNot. Even though she told me absolutely positively do not buy anymore.
You're uncontrollable.
But she's going to like what I got. It's really cool. And I got this stuff for cheap. You know I love that when people say for cheap. I got it for cheap. The birds are uncontrollable.
You know they were quiet until you hit play.
They suck. We are not only... Okay, whatever. There's a dog doing something over here that does not look natural.
He's licking his arm.
Okay.
His hand.
I mean, it looked like there was some HUMP going on. So this is really cool. I got this cheap, guys. Now, some of this may have to be washed. I'm not sure. But this is the Wrangler National Finals Rodeo 2013 Las Vegas rodeo shirt.
That's cool.
Rodeo shirts are good sellers.
Yeah.
I learned that. on YouTube from one of my friends. They may not know they're my friends, but they are.
Yeah.
This is cool. I'm everybody's friend. This is Hard Rock Cafe, Dublin, Ireland. You see that?
Oh, wow.
It's okay that I bought these, right? Yeah. Right? She's so, she doesn't want me buying anything, guys. Anything. Okay, this one has a little bit of tag. The tag is a little bit meh. But seriously, I got it for $2. Now, you need to get me tax exempt on WhatNot because I'm buying more, by the way. You know you can get tax exempt on WhatNot? I think it only lasts for a year, but you can get it. This Cleveland Browns is Nike, and it has these sewn on letters for Gilbert, whoever Gilbert is. Gilbert! But there is some little bit of damage there. But I only paid $2 for it. $2. $2. You know that movie? I want my $2 where the little paper boy goes crazy. This is cool. This is a Super Bowl 46 embroidered hoodie. And it has the NFL tag.
Oh, that's cool.
It is cool, right?
Yeah. That looks big, too.
I got that for cheap, too.
For cheap.
If you comment for cheap in the comments below this video, what is going on with my hair today? Oh my God. You will be entered for a prize. Possibly my book that I wrote. I should give out my books.
You should.
I should give out my books. I have a book. No, seriously, you guys don't believe me. I have books. I have 3 books that I've written. I have 101 Side Hustles by Cindy Poochie Smith. I have Amazon Profits Unleashed by Cindy Poochie Smith. And I have eBay Profits Unleashed. And the eBay one is thick. Thick puppy. So, if you comment for cheap down below, I will enter you into a drawing to win your choice of one of those books.
That's a good deal. That's a really good deal.
Right? This is cool. I did not pay very much for this, and I'm so happy with it. It is that's the back.
That's a bag?
Florida
Oh, wow.
State Seminoles hoodie.
That's cool.
Isn't that flipping awesome?
Yeah.
On the Coliseum tag, it's XXL size. Look at that back hit though, guys. The embroidered Seminole, apparently. I would guess that's a Seminole. You Suckers. The seller may not get a good feedback on this one because they did not disclose.
There's a hole in it too.
Oh yeah, I know. It's well worn. It is Echo, small.
Oh my god.
Guys, come on, man. The good thing about WhatNot is I can go back on the video and say, yo.
It's distressed.
It's like majorly distressed. You gotta point that out when you're doing a show. But you know, I may just keep it and sell it because I like to support sellers on WhatNot, even though they never support us. But anyway, I like to support them and buy stuff from them. So it's not about really, if I get some stuff from a seller that I like, that is, I'd probably return if I bought it on eBay. I'll keep it, I'll sell it, and I'll disclose all of the damage. But this is a really cool Echo distressed.
Very
shirt,
distressed.
but oh man, but I got it for cheap.
For cheap.
So
Don't forget to comment for cheap.
it's got the arm hit there too. I used to have an Echo Letterman's jacket that was so cool, but it's too big for me now. That never happens. And I'd love to know where it is so I could possibly sell it. Oh yeah, I'm gonna save the best for last. The thing that's coming out last is the thing I paid the most for. Okay? Like, I'm cheap. Hey, piggy, cheating. This one is, oh man, that kind of feels, I don't know, that kind of feels like it may be dry rotty.
Crunchy.
It's not crunchy. I think it's like borderline. When you look for dry rot and stuff, guys, all you have to do is pull this. So see, I'm pulling this and it's not breaking, but if it had dry rot, it would just, it would be done. But this one's very close. But this is a cool shirt. This is the 36th annual Thor Winter Nationals from 07. Oh my God, look at that. Look at that. That back is killer. Size extra large.
That was cool.
Best for last. I saved the best for last. Close your eyes. Okay, just making sure it's the last. Okay, you can open your eyes. This is Columbia. Okay.
Wow.
This is so, like, this is old. This is an older Columbia. I know that, but look at how 80s this is. Oh my God.
That's cool.
I think Madonna could have worn this jogging. Or the lead singer for Dexy's Midnight Runner, maybe.
That is a ton of colors in it. That's
Oh
cool.
my God. Isn't that awesome?
Yeah, I love
Look
that.
at that. It's so fucking cool. It's so doggone cool. Sorry. Look at that. Oh my God. If that were my size, I would totally rock this and go to the mall. You have no idea. So that is all the stuff I got. That is the unboxing. Oh no, wait, there's more. Because we also got stuff from our friend, who is actually our friend.
Did you get it?
What does it say?
Something Gucci. Your. I don't know.
It says something Puccio. I'm sure it says love you. Love you to death, Puccio. This is a box from my friend, Kari, the Desert Mermaid. We're getting the wrappings quality checked by Ruby. So the first box was really good, right? This box is more stuff kind of for me, not to resell. I may resell one or two of them, I think I got. Maybe to put on eBay or whatever, but again, to support a friend. Yeah, that's for me. Marilyn Monroe book. This is Marilyn, The Last Take book. And you know, like in typical, I have ADD, so in my fashion, I go directly in and go for the pictures. Ooh, let's look at the pictures. It's so hard for me to read books. On the set of Cleopatra. Wow. Oh, gosh. I'm not going to show you those pictures because... Love. Do I love Marilyn Monroe?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Hey. Oh, I think all the stuff is maybe in here and the rest is packaging. You want to check that too? Good. It passes. You have passed the mascot test, Kari? Okay. So maybe it's all in here. I don't know. I got a dog brooch, the book, zoo-themed charm bracelet. So I got 2 Poochie things, 2 charm bracelets, and the book. Not gonna lie, I'm really excited about the book. And I don't read because ADD causes issues, but the last book I read all the way through was a Marilyn book. What does it say about you when you can't get through the bubble wrap? So nicely packaged. Look at this stuff. Look at her. Well, this is creating a whole buying experience. The book was in an envelope, and oh god, this is so cool. So this is the Ruffine Poochie pin. Oh my god, it's so cute. The one show I go to of hers, the first show, because I don't usually, you know, do WhatNot shows unless they're like vintage t-shirts or whatever. But the one show I go to of hers, she has multiple Poochie figures, right? Isn't that cute?
That's adorable.
Oh my god.
Is it rhinestone?
It is. Look. Very cool. And then I got this one. That is, oh my god, this is so cool. This is like a little hat pin.
They used to make stick pins like that you
stick
would put
pins
on your lip.
Yeah. Stick pin. What does she say it is? Because she's the expert. Stick pin. You see that?
Put your hand behind it.
The little...
There you go.
It's a dog head. I don't know if you can see it. It's so cute. And then she sent something for free. She gave me a clicker. You hear it?
Noise.
She must know I have ADD. I'll just sit here at my desk. And this is a Coal Miners charm bracelet. You see there is the pick and there is the piece of coal. And then this is cool. This is a zoo animals. So that I only paid $6 for the mining charm bracelet. I mean, maybe it's just me, but that seems really cheap. I paid $4 for the stick pin and $8 for the dog brooch. The Maryland book was $6. I mean, plus shipping, and this was only $8. But look at all the charms, guys. Can you see all the charms it has? I see, I don't know what that is. It looks like somebody's butt. I'm sure it's not somebody's butt. Maybe it's a pet, I don't know. Elephant, giraffe, bear, a animal. I don't even know what that is. Some of these, I'm not gonna lie, I don't have my glasses on and I am old as hell. So
that's a tiger. That one was a tiger.
I can see that it's a cat with stripes, so I knew it was a tiger.
Oh.
Thanks for your help. Oh, I think it has the monkeys. I think it has the see no, hear no, speak no evil monkeys. Yeah, it's not somebody's butt. It's a monkey. It's a monkey. It looks like somebody's butt, right? No, it's not somebody's butt. It's a monkey with its hands like this. We all see what we want to see. So that is my experience from, those are so cute. WhatNot. I have not bought on WhatNot for a long time because I bought from somebody, I'm not going to say who, but they may or may not have been in the drama circles lately, and I was disappointed with what I got. So I haven't bought on WhatNot for a long time, but I'm very happy with my purchases. So happy, in fact, that I bought more from this seller last night. So WhatNot, buying on WhatNot is fun. Maybe I should do a tutorial where I just go on and I, you know, buy stuff and show people how to do it. Because a lot of people, I think, are scared. Oh, you know, it's a new thing. It's so easy. So easy, and it's such a fun place to buy. As long as you're not bidding against me, because one of my favorite YouTubers last night, I was on this show, and they came in. I didn't know they were there, and all of a sudden they outbid me on something, and I was like, and then they outbid me on something else, and then I was going to bid on something, and they bid on it, and I was like, I mean, there's no friends at an auction, but I was like, well, at least I know I have good taste, because this is one of my favorite YouTubers, and I always love what they get, and they're out in here bidding against me on the same stuff I'm bidding on, so that was kind of cool. So remember, you can buy low on WhatNot, can't you, Betsy?
You can.
And the goal is to sell high, so buy low, sell high, and please subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. Louie, thank everybody. Thank all the people, Louie.
Okay.
Oh, don't give him to me. You got dog hair all over him. Don't show his goods.
I didn't. I'm so funny.
Subscribe. Bye, everybody.